need to unlink your phone number from Temu. Follow along, it's simple and secure. First, launch the Temu app or type in temu.com on your browser. Now, once you log into your account, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the top right corner. Now, scroll down and tap on account security. Then tap phone number. You'll see the number currently linked to your account. Tap remove or unlink. Temu will ask you to confirm this with a verification code, either via email or your existing number. Enter the code, confirm, and your number will be removed. You will need to link an email or another login method if you haven't already. Otherwise, you might get logged out. Did you remove your number successfully? Let me know how it went. And don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.